June 15, 2018, and we are surveying Ocean Alexander 54 Taiwanese built motor yacht in Hong Kong. And this is how we do it. We take the boat to a shipyard, we lift the boat up, we clean the bottom, let the bottom dry. Then we have a surveyor who will come and check the boat, check the bottom of the boat to make sure that there's no damage, there's nothing wrong, nothing serious. And then we take the boat for a sea trial. We prefer together with the customers, we do that because then everybody has a first-hand idea about what's going on the boat rather than just reading the report. This is surveyor Marius Arts doing the survey, basically checking the hull bottom with a hammer for any abnormal sounds, which indicates crack or some kind of damages on the hull. So the hull is checked very thoroughly by the surveyor to ensure that there are no problems, and to make sure that the boat is in seaworthy condition.
But the places that I tested with the hammer, I couldn't find anything obvious. Now, the hammer, only tells me what's happening where I tap, and the areas that haven't been treated before, because I could imagine that this boat has had this problem before and the holes have been filled up with epoxy or glass fiber, and then they don't reveal anything.
Now we take the boat for a sea trial and test all the systems. Now we are trying the boat on different RPMs and checking the speed and the fuel consumption.
Before you go to sea, or at least taken out, cleaned, inspected.
Yeah. In poor condition, is it?
Yeah. As far as I can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Toilet maybe? Never leave the house.
We're going to have 5 people.
Yeah.